Did you know that a single tank of bad gas can leave behind enough carbon deposits to drop your fuel economy by 10% in just 1 week? Most drivers think their fuel filter catches everything, but microscopic contaminants are constantly baking onto your fuel injectors, turning that fine mist into a wasteful stream. Today, we're cutting through the marketing fluff to show you the only 3 additives that actually belong in your garage. Number 1. Fuel Injector Cleaner. Your fuel injectors operate at pressures higher than a power washer, and even a tiny bit of varnish can ruin your engine's spray pattern. This is what causes that annoying rough idle or stumbling when you're sitting at a red light. A high-quality cleaner uses polyethyramine to chemically dissolve those deposits while you drive. If you're driving a modern car with a direct injection engine, this isn't just an extra, it's a requirement. To get the most out of it, wait until your tank is almost empty, pour the bottle in first, and then fill up with high-quality 91 or 93 octane. This ensures the cleaner is fully mixed. Have any of you noticed a smoother idle after running a bottle of Techron? Let me know in the comments. Number 2. Fuel System Cleaners. Don't confuse these with basic injector cleaners. A full fuel system cleaner is a much more aggressive formula designed to scrub the entire path, from the fuel pump and lines to the combustion chamber and the tops of your pistons. These are the heavy hitters you use once every oil change or every 5,000 miles. The real benefit here is restoring lost power. As carbon builds up on the piston heads, it creates hot spots that can cause pre-ignition or knocking. By cleaning the entire system, you're allowing the engine to run at its factory-timed efficiency. If you've bought a used car recently and don't know the maintenance history, running a full system cleaner should be the very first thing you do. Number 3. Octane Booster. This is the most misunderstood bottle on the shelf. An octane booster is not rocket fuel, and it won't make a slow car fast. What it does is increase the fuel's resistance to detonation. This is critical if you have a high-performance or turbocharged engine and you're forced to fill up at a station that doesn't carry premium fuel. Using a booster in a standard commuter car that's designed for 87 octane is a total waste of money. But if your engine is pinging or rattling under acceleration, that is the sound of your engine slowly destroying itself. In that specific case, a high-quality booster like Boostane can literally save your head gaskets. Number 4. Fuel Stabilizers. Modern gasoline is blended with ethanol, which is a magnet for moisture. If gas sits for more than 30 days, it begins to phase separate, meaning the water and alcohol sink to the bottom of the tank. If you try to start your car after it's been sitting all winter, you're essentially sucking a slug of water directly into your engine. A stabilizer like STABIL works by chemically bonding to the fuel to stop oxidation. If you have a weekend car, a boat, or even a lawnmower, you need to treat the fuel before you park it. How many of you have had to pull a carburetor apart because the gas turned into green gum over the winter? That's exactly what this prevents. Number 5. Ethanol Treatment. For those of you driving classic cars or anything built before the year 2000, ethanol is a silent killer. It eats through older rubber fuel lines and corrodes aluminum carburetors. Since almost all gas in the US is now E10 or E15, your fuel system is constantly under attack. An ethanol treatment provides a protective coating on those vintage parts. While it's hard to justify for a brand new car, it is a non-negotiable for the classic car community. If you care about your fuel lines, a $10 bottle of treatment is a lot cheaper than a car fire caused by a rotted hose. Number 6. Anti-gel Diesel Additives. If you drive a diesel, you know the cloud point. This is the temperature where the wax in your fuel begins to turn into a solid gel, plugging your filters and leaving you stranded. When the temperature drops below freezing, your fuel can turn into a thick slush in minutes. A good anti-gel additive lowers that freezing point and adds much-needed lubrication to the fuel pump. In the winter, dry diesel fuel can cause excessive wear on your injectors. Using a product like Hot Shot's Secret doesn't just keep you moving, it protects the most expensive components of your diesel engine. Number 7. Gas Line Antifreeze. The last thing on our list is gas line antifreeze, often sold in those little yellow bottles. Its only job is to dissolve ice crystals that form from water contamination in your tank. However, because modern gas already contains ethanol, which is an alcohol, most of you are already driving with antifreeze in your tank. Unless you live in a climate where it stays below zero for weeks at a time, or you suspect you got a bad batch of watered-down gas, you can usually skip this one. It's a specialized tool for extreme conditions, not a daily necessity. What do you need to know before buying fuel additives? The most important rule is to read your owner's manual first. Some manufacturers will void your warranty if they find certain chemicals in the fuel system. Also, never mix multiple different brands of additives in the same tank. You can create a chemical reaction that actually gums up your filters. Always remember that additives are a supplement, not a fix for a broken mechanical part. If your fuel pump is dead, no liquid in a bottle is going to bring it back to life. Use these products as preventative maintenance to keep your engine running like the day it left the factory. Which additives are junk and which ones are legit? If you want to stay safe and see actual results, stick to the proven names. Decron Concentrate Plus.